हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. दिस इज अमलान सर. गाइस, यू ऑल नो आई एम बैक विद अनदर वीडियो. तो गाइस, ये वीडियो फिर से एक क्विक रिव्यू सीरीज का वीडियो होने वाला है. एंड इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट फिंगरप्रिंट्स, इट्स क्लासिफिकेशन, हाउ इंडिविजुअल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, रिच काउंटिंग, रिच ट्रेसिंग, इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में बात करेंगे. तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद दिस वीडियो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले.
Fingerprints. What is fingerprint? The reproduction of pattern or friction ridges on the distal phalanges of finger's thumb are known as fingerprints. The study of fingerprints is known as dactyloscopy. Fingerprints are developed during 4 to 6 months of a fetal stage. Sir Francis Galton was known as father of fingerprints. When we come upon to the history of fingerprints, J.C. a mayor of Germany proposed the theory of fingerprints. J.E. Purkinje described finger or the rich patterns and gave its 9 classifications. Sir William Herschel used fingerprints for the documentation. Sir Francis Galton wrote the first book or the textbook on fingerprints. Locating core and delta is the most important thing in a fingerprint. So what is core? A core is the center point of a pattern area. A pattern can consist of no core and numerous cores, as in case of arches and double loops respectively. A delta is a region of bifurcation or divergence of ridge forms. In a crime scene, several types of fingerprints are found. They can be categorized into 3 types: latent print, visible print, and plastic prints. Latent prints are those which are invisible and can be visualized with the help of UVs or alternative light source. Visible prints are covered with such as some colored material such as blood ink. Plastic prints are those which are found on the palpable surfaces such as sand, mud, soap, etc. Fingerprints can be classified into 3 basic categories: arches, whorls, and loops. So, what is arches? Arches are the pattern in where the ridges enter from one side of the pattern and exit from the other side. Basically, there are 2 types of arches: tented arch and a plain arch. So, what is tented arch? In a tented arch, a upthrust or a hill is found, whereas in a plain arch, a small hill or a small upthrust is found. Next, we come to the loops. So, what is loop? In loop, the friction ridges enter from one side and exit to the same side after recurving around the core. There are 2 types of loops: radial loop and ulnar loop. If the opening is pointing towards the ulnar bone, then it is known as ulnar loop, and if it is pointing towards the radial bone, then it is known as radial loop. What is whorl? A whorl consists of 2 deltas and a core. It is a pattern consisting of spiral formation of ridges or concentric circle of ridges. If an imaginary line is drawn between 2 deltas, the center pattern would intersected by it. A composite is a mixture of whorl and loops. There are 4 patterns or the 4 basic classification of composites: central pocket loop, double loop, lateral pocket loop, and accidental. Central pocket loop. It is also known as peacock's eye. A loop is a mixture of whorl and loop. If an imaginary line is drawn between 2 deltas, the ridge or the central ridges of the pattern will not intersect. Lateral pocket loop. This consists of 2 core and 2 deltas. It is formed by 2 loops. This is formed when a loop makes a groove for another one and it is fitted into them by themselves. So what is double loop? Double loop also consists of 2 deltas and 2 cores. These loops surround each other like a S formation. An accidental is a pattern where there are too much irregularities and no significant or variant characters is found. There are also individual ridge characteristics such as enclosure, bifurcation, island, dot, ridge ending, bridge, trifurcation, and spur. It is found that it is seen or it is said that a fingerprint may consist of 125 ridge individual patterns. What is ridge counting? If a line is drawn between core and delta, Every entity that intersects that line is counted, and it can be anything such as 15, 20. It depends on the ridges that intersect that line. In an arch, this is not applicable because of the absence of core and delta. What is ridge tracing? This is done in case of walls. Each delta is extended toward each other. On the basis of that, the ridges which fall in between these extended arms are counted, and based on that, inner meeting outer is classified. So, what is ridge rotation? Ridge rotation is considered from the core. It can be anti-clockwise or clockwise. If the core or the ridge patterns don't have any connection with each other, such as in form of concentric circles, it is said that there is no rotation. This is helpful in determining the hand from the fingerprint.